What are you doing?
Then,
Are you drawing on the paper?
yeah.
Wow.
The little book.
You're gonna draw a little bump?
Yeah.
Okay.
The little ananas.
You're gonna draw a little Alani?
Nanny.
Look at that.
There's one nanny. There is the little Isa.
You drew a little Isa?
Isa? Wow, it's a nice Isa. Isa the bill. Isa the bill. This is the bill. Isa the bill. Isa the bill.
Wow.
There is. Mama, the Isa or nanny?
Both of them.
One.
Yeah. What happened? Are you drawing Isa and Alani?
No.
You want to draw something else?
Yeah.
What do you want to draw?
Mine.
You want to draw yours?
No, mine.
You want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Oh. Mama's going to hold the camera right now.
No, my demo.
This is your camera?
Yeah.
I've been confused.
Mommy, the Isa or nine?
Draw honey.
Honey?
Yeah.